Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ayunna and this is Street Brown Girl TV. So before I get into what this video is about, of course you've seen the title. I wanted to come on here and say Happy New Year. I know I am late with the upload, but I've been trying to adjust to just life. We just had inventory, long hours. One day I did 16 hours, then the next day I turned around and did like 11 hours. I was extremely tired, so I didn't want to overwhelm my body. I wanted to just rest on my off days and just come fully prepared to start filming and getting these videos out to you guys. So as promised, I've been promising this video for a while. I decided the first video of the year would be an updated brow routine. This is a very easy, simple, and inexpensive brow routine. I simply use the eyeliner from Wet n Wild, the eyebrow pencil, and it's literally like $1.19 or something like that. And then of course I use some concealer to clean up the brows and all of that good stuff. So this one is a very simple and inexpensive brow routine. I do have one that's a little bit more pricey and that I like to do on occasions, but this is like my everyday quick simple brow routine that I do for work, and I just go. It literally takes me about 10 to 15 minutes to do my brows, depending on how slow or fast I'm doing them. But I wanted to get this video out to you guys, and I wanted to wish you guys a happy, prosperous new year. I hope that you guys go out and achieve all of the goals that you set out for this year. I plan on just trying to be consistent with my channel, trying to give you guys the uploads and the content. Let me know what you guys want to see. I do have some videos planned. So I want to stop rambling, and I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch this easy, simple $1 brow tutorial, because literally the pencil is like $1 if you get it on sale. Other than that, you're going to need some concealer. I like to use one that is closer to my skin tone now. I don't like the overly highlighted brow. I don't do that. Without further ado, you guys, thank you so much for supporting me, for subscribing, for staying with me and all of that, and I hope that I could give you more content and be more consistent for you guys this year. And yeah, stay tuned.
I'm going to start off by priming my brow. I'm using the NYX Eyeshadow base in the shade Skintone. Next, I'm going to set the primer or the base, and I'm using the AirSpun translucent powder. Here, I'm just taking my spoolie and dusting off the excess powder. Now I'm starting with my Wet n Wild brow pencil, and I believe this is the shade Simma Brown. I like to start at the bottom and outline the bottom of my brow. Then I like to go and outline the top of my brow. I go in the direction that my hairs grow, and I just go from there. After I finish outlining my brow, I take my spoolie and I brush out the liner to make it look more natural. I then go back with my liner or brown pencil and fill in and keep continuing to get it the way that I want it. Now I'm using my NYX concealer in the shade tan, and I'm going to clean up my brow. This is where you get to play around with your brow shape. If you want it to be thick or thin, you can use the concealer to do so. Here, I just did it like a normalized. I didn't do thick or thin, but sometimes I like to do thin. But today, I just did like a normal. And this actually is the way that my brow is naturally shaped and is. I kind of have thick brows, so I kind of thinned them out over the years. And here I'm just doing the same thing that I did to the bottom, to the top, just cleaning it up and making it look the way that I want it. Here is a added step that I like to do. I like to take a little bit of my foundation and add it on to the beginning of my brow, just so it can blend and look more natural. Here I'm taking my MAC powder in NC45 and I'm going to set the concealer. Here is the final brow. I forgot to add the clear mascara.